Welcome back to Mobile, Alabama, Living with Leonel Colon. I'm Lionel, real estate agent with eXp Realty right here in beautiful Mobile, Alabama. Now today we are on Dauphin Island, a peaceful little beach town known as the sunset capital of Alabama. It's got everything: white sandy beaches, laid back vibes, local seafood that hits different, and a sunset that looks like a painting. And right here on the island is 105 Tierra Court, a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2,200 square foot beach house that makes coastal living like a permanent vacation. This property is just steps from the beach. The interior is spacious, bright, and built for comfort. Whether it's a weekend escape, full-time home, or income-producing vacation rental, it's got the space and the setup to make it all work. Outside, the large deck is where the magic happens. It's perfect for grilling, relaxing, or just soaking in the views and letting the stress melt away. And here's a rare bonus: no HOA. That's right, no dues, no drama, just beach life the way it should be. This beautiful property is listed by Andy Sims with Dauphin Island Real Estate, and I'm just here to give you a look and share why this home and this island might be exactly what you've been dreaming about. Listen, I'm Leonel Colon with eXp Realty, and this is Mobile, Alabama Living. Stay cool, stay ready, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out this tour of this beautiful home.